video presentation, we are going to take a look at the HIDEit Mounts headphones wall bracket. Be sure to check out their website and find them on most social media platforms for more products and information to help you organize and find alternative mounting space ideas for your equipment and accessories. This headphone wall mount has model number Uni-H. So let's open up the package and see what's inside. In cutting this small strip of tape, the lower lid opens easily by flipping it upwards. The simple packaging now reveals the inner contents with one bracket in a sealed plastic wrap along with basic instructions. This pamphlet shows other solutions and ideas by HIDEit Mounts, while the reverse side outlines step-by-step mounting instructions. So here's what you should expect to receive. If you look in the plastic package, you'll notice some mounting hardware. Already, in just looking at this, you'll notice the curve of the bracket. This is very inviting for any headphone placement. Let's cut into the packaging so we can take a closer look at the actual item. All that I'm going to do is cut a small section and rip the rest of the protective covering off. At first glance, I noticed the semi-gloss finish, which is very durable and will last for years to come. Below the mounting area, you'll notice the company logo. Nice branding touch to authenticate the product. Notice that the front of the bracket has a 90-degree notch facing upwards. This is a great feature to keep the headphones from sliding off of the bracket. The mounting hardware is very basic yet very effective. It consists of two 3/16 plastic wall anchors along with matching countersunk screws. In order to properly install this bracket, you'll need one 3/16 drill bit, a 4-inch level, preferably magnetic, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, an electric drill, and finally a black marker or preferably a pencil. Yes, there are alternative methods for displaying your headphones while not in use, such as a tabletop headphone stand, which are very convenient and can be useful to have as a mobile stand when you are in another room. This particular stand is not my favorite. Notice the holding point of the bracket. It deforms the leather headband by creating an imprint. So by using the HIDEit mount, it eliminates these deformities by allowing the arc of the bracket to match that of the headphones. Here is how I mounted the bracket to the wall. By placing the headphones onto the bracket, then position on the wall to ensure there is enough clearance below the lowest point. Also make sure that the bracket is centered. Mark the wall with the first hole to drill. Using your drill and a 3/16 drill bit, carefully make your first hole. Take the insert into the drilled hole. It might be tough to drive in, but tapping it lightly with a hammer will help. Next, take the countersunk screw and the bracket, then drive the screw through the bracket into the wall insert. Use the level to make sure that the bracket is leveled before marking the next hole. After the second hole is marked, you are ready to drill your next hole. Place the next wall anchor and screw into place to finalize the installation. Use the level to double check your work. Give the bracket a quick tug to make sure that everything is secure. Now it's time to place your headphones onto the bracket. Observe your installation and enjoy the newfound space in your environment. Thanks for watching, and be sure to click on the subscribe button. Like this video and share it with all of your friends. Your support helps us understand and develop all of our future video presentations. If you have a moment, please share your experience with the HIDEit Mount products in the comment section below. Bye for now.